The first step to good health has always been good personal hygiene. It will not only make you look good, but also keep you away from illnesses. Here are some personal hygiene tips to look good and stay healthy. As basic as it may sound, take a shower every day. Using an antibacterial soap will eliminate the odor and kill the bacteria. Make sure to change your towel after 1 to 2 uses. You might feel lazy and want to crash on the sofa post-workout, but stop right there. Take a shower as soon as possible, because not doing so will lead to bacteria buildup and will be bad for your overall health. Your basic oral hygiene should include brushing, flossing, mouthwash, and tongue cleaning. Not maintaining a good oral hygiene can lead to several dental problems and can also result in bad breath. Having smelly breath is a major turn-off. Along with a proper dental hygiene, a mouthwash can come in handy in between brushing. Make your own mouthwash with a cup of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few drops of antimicrobial peppermint essential oil. And there you have your very own DIY mouthwash. Stop the germ buildup by getting rid of the hair from your underarms. This will make sure that the hair doesn't trap the bacteria and you don't have to worry about the odor. While you take care of the rest of your body, taking care of your feet is equally important. Dip your feet in warm water mixed with vinegar and salt. Sit back and relax for 10 to 15 minutes and then scrub off all the dead skin. Ignoring your intimate hygiene can cause infections and can lead to odor. Using an intimate wash will protect you against any infections. Isn't it scary and gross to use a public toilet? But controlling your bladder for too long can be harmful to your health. So use a seat cover, a sanitizer, or a disposable pee funnel to stay away from all the dirty germs. We hope with these tips you will always stay fresh and never have to worry about odor, germs, or infections. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.